Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to apply to be a model for Zara. If you have ever dreamed of representing one of the world's top fashion brands, this is your chance. Now let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First step is understanding Zara's modeling requirements. Zara works with professional modeling agencies to find models that align with their brand image. While there are no specific height or size requirement publicly listed, Zara typically looks for models with unique and versatile appearances that fits their contemporary and diverse style. And second step is build your modeling portfolio. Before applying, make sure you have a strong modeling portfolio. Your portfolio should include high-quality headshots, full body shots, photos showcasing different poses, outfits, and expressions. Ensure your images are natural and professional with minimal editing. And step 3 is working with a reputable modeling agency. Zara often collaborates with established modeling agencies to find talent. To increase your chances, research reputable model agencies in your region. Submit your portfolios to these agencies. Let the agency know that you are interested in working with Zara or other fashion brands. And fourth step is checking for casting calls. Keep an eye on Zara's official website and social media channels for announcements about casting calls or open auditions. Zara occasionally holds casting events to discover new talent for campaigns or runaway shows. And fifth step is network and stay active on social media. Having a strong presence on social media platforms like Instagram can also help you get noticed. Post high-quality photos that showcase your style and personality. And use relevant hashtags like #modelsearch or #fashionmodel. And sixth step is you can apply directly through Intidex. If you are confident in your portfolio and agency representation, you can contact Intidex, which is Zara's parent company, through their official website at intidex.com. While Zara typically works with agencies, expressing interest directly could still open the doors. And that's how you can start your journey to become a model for Zara. It takes a dedication, networking, and professionalism to make it to the fashion industry. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one.